Notion is great for organizing work and personal life, but sometimes you just don't need it anymore, or you want to free up space on your Mac. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to completely uninstall Notion, manually and with a faster tool. People remove Notion for a few reasons. Leftover files can take up space, fix glitches or slow performance, prefer another tool or workspace setup. Here's how to remove Notion and all its leftover files. Quit the Notion app. Open Applications. Drag Notion to trash. In Finder, press Command plus Shift plus G. Type ~/library and press Return. Delete all Notion-related files. Empty the trash. Restart your Mac. This ensures no leftover files remain that could slow down your system. The faster, safer way is to use App Cleaner and Uninstaller from Nektony. Quit Notion. Launch the Uninstaller. Select Notion in the scanned apps list. Click Uninstall and confirm. If you've already deleted Notion manually, you can still remove leftovers. Go to Remaining Files, select All Remnants, and click Remove. This removes every trace safely, no digging through library folders. Whether manually or with App Cleaner and Uninstaller, your Mac will be clean and free of Notion.